Yes, so today the pastor is back like spying on a vengeance. After yesterday it didn't go so well, we bent our content. Just know that we are not giving much details. So today I went to buy our entrecôte steak. Ndikati regai nimbobika steak nhasi ndimboiona, so I marinated it nicely, and then threw my cooking oil there, bit of olive oil in the pan. And there I go, I threw my steak in there. Look at this thing, well marinated with some secret spices, secret sauces that I put it in, and I'm just pressing it in the fat there for it to absorb the fat. Ooh, it's drinking the fat, and you get to just see how it will turn out. Oh yeah. So I'm just turning it in there to soak in the olive oil, to soak in the spices and the marinade. You can see some of my spices there. I'm already salivating just doing this narration, and it's turning out well, and it's responding to the heat as I'm just heating it and turning it in the fat, and it's coming out. Oh yo. So right, I need to think about veggies now. So I get my spinach, onions, tomatoes, pepper, garlic. I just make sure that I cut it on the board. Remember, I said every man has to have a board, so murumu hasn't have any board to check it out. And now look at it sizzling there. That is just our veggies getting ready, and Sadza is the starch today. So as you just checking out there, I'm on at the Sadza whilst the veggies are getting ready, and the steak, the steak is done. Just check the steak out. It's medium rare. I didn't go for the just well cooked, well done. I just thought I would leave it a bit reddish on the center there, and it's done outside nicely. Sometimes azvinongobikwa kubva zvasara zvaibva zvekuibvisa nyama yakakwatiswa. No, inaka yakadai so yakabikwa zvingori rare, and look at how it's looking. Look at that pinkish kind of color. For those who know their meats, for those who know steak, I would know that they would testify of how good this one is. And I'm just trying to zoom in to just show you, but at this camera work and cutting, content creation, but just check it out. As the camera just managed to catch that. Yes, there we go. That is our meat. Apa nyama papa ndikunyebera yavanhu, nyama inonaka iyi yakabikwa zvakaita sezvizvi, and we're done. And now we're thinking of how can we serve that. So we got our sadza, and mgoto yedu tapakura sadza redu. Kandaita hangu kachidina mchana. I usually prefer a thin sadza, not the chidina I made today, but now I'm just serving. The presentation, I made it up as I went there, and stand up gonna plating, but I just made it up and just thought that would look nice, where I just lay the steak like a bricklayer, in 4-4-3-3 formation, 3-3-1 formation for those who do soccer. And then I put the veggies, and voila, pachi French knows voila, there we go. Dinner is served for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe.